Have some nice bikes that's pulling up. Oh, an E92 M3. It looks like my car, but M3 version. Another E92. I should have brought the E92, but as y'all know, the freaking vacuum lines don't work. I've been trying to get to this meet for like the past year or so. I seen it in California and it came down to Atlanta. Another bike. So many bikes. Is that like a sign? Should I get a bike, guys? Turned out it's supposed to be great. Supposed to be over 2,000 people here. I know I keep showing y'all BMWs, but that's nice. Oh, there you go, another one. Since when did motorcycles have digital dashes, bro? This whole section over here is straight bikes, and this section over here is straight cars. We're gonna come over here and see what kind of cars they have. And 335i's over here. Well, that's an M3. G80, F80. Last meet we went to, it was a G80 and an F80 next to each other like this. Which one y'all think better? Color on this E92 is tough. Oh, hold on. I seen some on the back of this one. Yeah, they got the tail light thing on the back. That's super sick. Clean M3s. I'm starting to fall in love with E92 M3s again. E88s, damn. What do y'all think? Y'all think I should do E88s on my E92? Oh, this M54 is clean. This is sick. Got the dock race kit in there. Valve cover gasket. My car should look like this real soon. On the 135, these shits are light. I haven't seen a C63 in a minute. We got the hood off on the Tesla. Is this wrap? Shit's clean. This is like paint. I don't think this is wrap at all. That's super sick. Now you good. Damn, this shit is clean. See the back of it. Nasty. Super XG. This car is sick, man. And for a comp, you got a parachute on the Tesla. Oh yeah, GT3 tough. It's basic, but sick. And I mean basic like in a good way, not like in I wouldn't drive that. Obviously not basic. My boy got the gap cam. I'm knowing this shit fast. Meaty tires. I'm seeing a lot of ruined Karcher cars here. Whole Mustangs. Wanna fast forward through here because I don't know much about Mustangs. Damn, this shit looks fast as hell though. Dumb fast, both of them. Yeah, I wouldn't race these motherfuckers, I tell you that. G82s.
Let's take some pictures. Let's tag them from IG. Yeah. We got a giveaway, man. We got a giveaway. Y'all make some noise.
All right. I don't want to be biased and just look at BMWs, so we're gonna look at this right here.
Okay.
Booper. Sick. Color on this is sick, I'm not gonna lie. Type S's are kind of hard too. I like the little wide body thing they did to it. It's like accurate, listen to the car guys. Fuck with it. I wonder, I don't know much about them, but I do want, damn, what the fuck?
Got some trophies. Yeah.
We got a Pro Charger. Is this a real 1M?
I need you to come down this outer lane.
As y'all know, we almost got an M550 47. Damn, how did I miss this? This shit is nasty. Right next to the R8. What is one of y'all taking, the R8 or the GT3? I'm taking the GT3. RS all day. Then it's like a gray. Y'all can tell. It's like a grayish color. Yellow little brake pad. Alright, we got some more BMWs right here. M5. Damn, looks good. We got the carbon fiber. Fenders, hood. Sick. Then you come over here. More G80s. Clean. This Benz is clean. I've been seeing a lot of these lately.
I know, we gotta warm up.
I heard these making like 800 if this is a 63.
Don't have a wrap 72.
Okay. That's not a Skyline. I'm not gonna act like I know what the name of that is. But I know it's not a GTR. This Corvette's nice. Wrap. Everybody's doing Ruby Star nowadays. Not gonna lie. What the fuck?
You don't want them to win, right?
I think I found the hardest car here.
Say it one more time. 318.
100% the hardest car here. 918.
Let's get the rest of these tickets real quick. We need the rest of these tickets.
918 Spider.
You got it?
Shit is
772.
I love a C6, bro. I think we gotta get a 6.6 for the channel. 100%.
I think we should go ahead and let our
We gotta
artists
get a
perform
6.6 for the channel.
Let's do it. I think it's time. ATL, y'all ready for artists? Make some noise. Come on, let's go.
I already knew it had to have some crazy shit on there. Another Z06. We got GTRs right here. Oh my God. Best GTR here tonight. And the famous blue. Y'all comment down below and let me know what blue this is. So we got a R35, R34. I know that's an R32. This is an R33? Yeah. I gotta double check on the back to make sure this is an R33.
Turn it up, turn it up, turn it up. Let's go.
Yeah. So yeah, we got the R33, R34, R32. It's nasty, bro. 34, 35, 33, 32, and a Celica. I got another R34 right here, and a Subi. Subi's pretty clean. But yeah, this R34 is nasty. Right hand drive. Subi. Oh yeah, that's sick. Here's the M3 we seen earlier right here. Shit nasty. I didn't know there's gonna be so many bikes out here, but these things are nice. I kind of want a bike just to have one for the BMW channel right here. That's sick. I got a black, is that a Blackwing or a CT5V? It's a F40 just sitting right here. That's clean. What the hell? This thing look mint, dude. It's in great condition. What the hell? Out of all the bikes here, this is probably my favorite bike that I know about. This is the H2. Shit's pretty fast. This is clean. Damn. It's so shiny. It's a nice bike. Come on. Another section of bikes. They're everywhere. Oh shit. We got a Super right here. Nasty. My boy's sitting on it. Nice. Hectic now. Oh, we seen this car earlier. RWB right here is nasty. What? Oh my God. Look at the interior. That shit hard, dude. God damn. Shit nice, man. Yes, is on there. Alright y'all, it's a couple days later after the car meet. I didn't end the video off, but I did get this in the mail. So we'll end the video off today with installing these vacuum lines. If y'all did watch the last video, we were waiting for these to come in the mail so we can see if this helps with the boost issue. We got some upgraded lines. As y'all know, I cut the last one, so yeah, let's go over there so I can show y'all. Alright, the intake still look pretty good, but we got these right here. If y'all remember from the last video, we did notice that the lines right under here were very brittle, so we're gonna get all of those replaced. We're gonna try to replace these over here as well. You can see some of these are very brittle. I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the intake so we can get straight to it, cut it, and go ahead and replace it. Alright, As y'all can see, I got the intake out now. I'm going to be replacing this line, and this one that connects directly to the manifold. So let me go ahead and cut that off so we can go ahead and get them replaced. Measure it like that, see how long it take, and I'm gonna cut it to about like right here. So now we got all of the vacuum lines on the vacuum side replaced, which goes to the charge pipe directly to the intake manifold. It connects to these 3 little nipples right here. So now we can put our intake back in. So now we're gonna move on to the boost side and see if we can find some damaged lines over there. Found it easier to just take this out. I finally got the vacuum on the front hose. It was really tricky, so I couldn't really do it on camera. And look how much oil I got on my hand. Kind of had to take out this little metal piece, as y'all seen, where the old vacuum canisters used to be. You could take that out and just stick your hand right through there, and it kind of poked right in. Nice. Now I'm just gonna connect it right there. Get the car started, because once again it is going to rain on me. So let me go ahead and get that out the way. I got the front turbo line mounted and routed. I'll go ahead and get all this oil cleaned up later. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and swipe a little bit of that off. I mean, we just installed this thing. Don't want it to look dirty already, but the oil lines and stuff, we'll get to that. We replaced the front turbo lines and we replaced the vacuums. Kind of cold out today, so it might take it a while for it to warm up, so I'm just kind of ride around a little bit, then we do like a quick little boost hit, see if we can get into some type of boost after replacing the vacuum lines. Well, since then we replaced the intake vacuum lines. What do y'all think about these CLA 45s? Are they any fast? I think it's a 4-cylinder twin turbo. We're still not getting into no boost, as y'all can see. The limp mode has came on again. Later. Ran into this clean F80 right here. It sounds like we got into a boost there. What the hell? I'm gonna hurry up and try to get back to the house, because it sounds like I sound like I'm driving a freaking V8 right now. Hold on, can y'all hear that? We got into some good boosts, but the coils sound like it went bad. I might just have to replace spark plugs now, because I think we just got into boost. Oh my god. I'm gonna order some coil packs and some spark plugs, and we're gonna get this thing back. Man, I wanted to play with the F80 so bad, but I just had to turn it around and get it back to the house before I cause any damage. But just from the sound of it, I know that a coil pack just kind of went bad, because I've had to replace it before. So I'm gonna replace that and the spark plugs, and look, we're gonna get this thing parked up. Appreciate y'all for watching. Catch y'all in the next one. Peace. Damn, look at all this oil.